What's going on, guys? It's me, Bernard Joseph on Bernard Tube. This time today, guys, we are thinking of taking you out to Abbey WaterFalls right in Bahadar. And I'm super excited that I'm also hooked up with a friend of mine. I just met her today. And she's also a traveler like me. And she's going to go with me on this journey to Abbey. So, guys, welcome. This is
Damaris Jenga. Yeah, pleasure having him as we explore this place. Also, remember to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's grow together as we explore the world.
Surely.
Yeah.
So, guys, please don't forget to do that. And, guys, it's going to be so massive. We're going to have a lot of time together. We're going to explore a lot of things. And also with me is the always.
Yo, what up? It's your boy Simon Charles. Yeah, we're going for an adventure, to one of the places, very beautiful place you guys gonna enjoy. So, all the best.
So, guys, thank you so much. And I really want to show you exactly what it means to be in Bahadar. And right now, we're trying to pick up a bus that will take us to Addis Ababa, I think, something like that. And in a short while, we'll show you exactly what's going to happen next. Thank you so much. See you when we're there. Peace out. Guys, we are right in the country. We left the tarmac. We are now in one of the rough roads in the countryside. And it's really so much, shaky like that.
Yeah.
But I don't know how long it's going to take us.
1 hour, that's what Google says.
So,
But
guys,
we've already started posting for like 15
for 15
minutes.
yeah.
So it might take more than 1 hour.
So, guys,
Let's wait and see.
let's see what the journey will be like. I mean, how long it takes us. But I don't know how long we're going to be on this shaky ground. And I think forever, right? Forever. So, guys,
We're not going anywhere close
yeah.
to a city. So,
So, hope you guys enjoy the trip. Let's see what we really have. Are you good? You enjoying the look? And let's show you around anyway. Let's show you around. So, guys, we are getting off from our car and get to the place. Bezano? Atam. Oh. Together, huh? So guys, they are telling us that we can go by footing, but we have to enter inside. So we are going in and see that we really get. So guys, we're gonna ticket to get us to the spot. Sure, that's the right thing to use. So guys, we are from Africa. Yeah, we come from Addis. Is it of more value anyway? Oh, you just wanna know? Yeah, thank you so much. No, I will drink later. I'll come. You have a fridge? I will come back, okay? Okay. Please. The people here are so loving. They are so much loving. Okay? So, let's see what they have here. welcome to Tisabe Falls. And so, guys, you can see there. If you are a domestic tourist, you get about 10 bill. And if you're a foreign, you pay 50 bill. And I think we are going for a 50. So, thank you. Okay, sure. So, guys, we are getting inside the office so we can be able to pay our bills. And make sure. Is it not? Banana? Oh, so. Yeah, and so guys, we are almost there. Though we left the main road and we branched somehow. And you can see the lady there. She's really having her time. Yeah, she's having her time, and Simon as well is over here trying to hook up and see if he can get some selfies and stuff. So we are sloping down, guys, and let's see what this is up to. Yeah. Whew. These are some of the guys I think they're best here at the Abai, and I might really consider going with them, but I don't know what they have to. And this is the guy who he was with me. We came together with the same bus, and it's called Gasha. I hope he really help us go there. No. So guys, basically, if you really want to come over, you don't have to be like much more on sneakers and something so much soft that can really help you in your journey. Something more comfortable with you, because we really did these mistakes and we came on shoes that are not really good for such a trip. Okay, so basically you have to be more into something comfortable with you. And now we are seeing a bridge here. We don't know this bridge. It has been built a long time ago. Wow! So guys, it's a shocking experience. This is the first. Asalarat. My brother, this thing is Asarara 24 year 14th century, this bridge. Yeah, the first bridge. It is really fascinating to know that I'm in one of the historical sites in this country, and not only here, I think maybe in Africa, because we really know exactly what Ethiopia is all about. So this is the first bridge that has been built about 14th centuries ago. That's about 1,400 years to see this bridge. And this bridge, they said, connects Gojam and Gondar. This one is Gondar, and that other side is Gojam. What an amazing experience. So guys, to find myself in one of, I'm a living testimony in this country. Being in such a bridge is just fascinating, guys. So 14th century in such a bridge, and when you see it, it's like nothing has really happened. When you see this bridge, like nothing has really happened, it really looks strong. I don't know what materials they use for building this. You guys, you don't have really any idea. You don't need, the material is really looks strong and strong and strong. So in it, gotcha. So 14th century is too much, yeah. So guys, he's saying that wow. He is saying that here when because it's dry season, that's why you see it is not really like full. But if it is rainy season, you get to know that the hard bridge get full and people like get hard time to cross. You know, so it's It's really amazing. And so guys, my breathing has increased, all because we are climbing high. It's really serious. Be fast though. So guys, you just have to bear with us. The journey really is getting so a little bit tough. I think it really needs some extra energy. Whew, to overcome it. I hope you're fit.
I'm trying to. I'm trying to be fit. But my heart right now, it's pumping at 180. You can.
That's really,
Yeah, that was a steep hill.
yeah, it's really so steep. And guys, just,
That was the view. Oh my God.
oh sure. Oof. I can see this is really
We
finished.
survived.
We survived.
But we can only survive after we see the waterfall.
Sure, we.
Oh my God. Another steep.
Salam nachu. Dana. So guys, I hope you really enjoyed every little spot on the site we have shown you. Right at the bottom, right at the fall here in Gojam, Amhara region of Ethiopia. And guys, the people you see right there, those are the little ones. They have some packages for people like us, for tourists. You as well, especially if you come over here after this vlog. You'll find them here, and we have they have several stuff. They have that Ethiopian, that piece of cloth that is waved handmade. You just will find it and you buy it at a very low cost. And if you guys also expecting to come here in the future after the vlog, guys, we just want to give you some directions. Remember, as I've always, as I started in the vlog, I told you, you guys have to come over with your IDs, come with your, at least if you have a special ID, it's okay. If you have a passport, it's okay. If you have any other ID that authenticates you as a member or a person who is legit, I mean like someone who's really been given given the opportunity to stay in this country, you have to come up with those papers, because before you enter, like what you saw, I saw in the beginning, we saw that we were being asked questions about our IDs and stuff like that. And so guys, you really have to carry your ID. And also remember to always find that right person to book out with. As I told you, we were able to be guided by Dutch, a guy from over here, and he has really helped us so much. And so, guys, this is really so, guys, we have just crossed to the other side of the river, and we are going home. The journey was really so good. We thank God for everything. And so, guys, see you. Hey. So, guys, we have crossed to the other side of the river, and yeah, and so, guys, we are really so privileged to be able to cross safely to the other side. The trip was really so amazing. We enjoyed every piece of it, and what do you have to say for it? I'm really like this trip
Yes,
was really
I enjoyed.
so
We had a small view of the sunset as we were coming here,
Mm-hmm.
and yeah, it's beautiful. Calm experience.
That's what we came up with. Like, I was so scared because there's really no control.
Oh, you
in
were
anything. I was so
scared?
scared, yeah.
I was enjoying this more, right? I
Oh.
was wishing it would go longer, but yeah.
Yeah, it was so short, yeah. So, guys, the journey was so sweet until I got tired. Not tired because of the burden, but I'm tired because it was too sweet. I can't really hold it. So,
Yeah, so we're
Anyway.
heading over to see if you're going to get a bus, because that's one thing they really told you won't get a bus, but we are sure we're going to
we're
get
gonna get it.
it. Yes, so let's go home.
Let's go home. See you guys. Thank you so much.